So it is Wednesday and I am at work right now, which is why you probably don't recognize the background, but I am just babysitting this morning, and then we are actually in like, what time is it? It's like 10 o'clock, and at 11 we are going to look at an apartment, Dylan and I, and I'm so excited. We were supposed to go yesterday, but it got canceled, and yesterday was like such a hectic day. I literally brought my camera with me all day, but it just wasn't filmable because there was just like a bunch of stuff going on. But it was a fun day. We had dinner with Julia and Kevin last night, which was really fun. And yeah, so we're going to look at our first apartment ever today. I don't know if we're gonna get this one. It's a little on the expensive side, but I'm just excited to look because I've never done this before. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I did a little editing. I just changed into this little outfit that I actually wore yesterday. But yeah, I'll take you guys along. I'm gonna try to film, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I can always film Dylan and I after. But yeah, happy Wednesday. Hi guys, so I literally got a clip just because it's like small. It's 2 floors, but it's pretty small, so I didn't want to be like, look, with like the guy there. But it was really cute. They did say they have 2 other units that are opening up, so we might like put in an application and then go see those other units to see if we like those ones more. Not that we don't like this one, because we do, but because he said the setup's a little bit different. But it was nice. It was cute. So yeah, it's something to think about. I think we'll definitely still look at other ones. I think if anyone will open up, if anyone is has something available for us in this area that we can live in, that would be great, because there's like none available. Hey guys, it's Sunday, so I just got ready and I just have a little fit on. Excuse the mess. Dylan and I are still living in my room and it's just like a mess. That's a whole other story. But I'm about to go out shopping with Haley for a little bit. I know I need to go to Walmart and I need to get my car cleaned. If I remember, I will show you, because we went to the beach this morning to go for a walk, and literally it looks like seagulls were like playing paintball with their poop on my car, and it's disgusting. So I need to get that cleaned, and then I think we're gonna go to TJ Maxx and like Marshalls and stuff, which is dangerous because I'm trying to save money, but it's a good time. It's something to do. So let's go. Thank God. Yeah, it looks good. It was covered. It was gross. But I forgot to show you. We're at Walmart because I need a few things, and the entire campus of UNH is here getting their stuff to move in. Like we were just saying, do you need it now? Didn't you bring stuff? Didn't you buy stuff? I'm confused. Apparently not. There's little freshmen here with their parents. And we were just in the parking lot. We haven't even come in yet.
There's also a part of me that kind of misses college though.
I know. It was kind of fun.
It was so fun
to like move in and like go to Walmart with your friends.
I know.
And it's really cute.
Now I'm old and I have to prepare for my job that I'm doing.
Never grow up, never graduate. Fake vlogger. I just said I only vlogged in the Walmart parking lot, and now we're back. And we got stuff. We did
from Marshalls.
We've got cardigans and little shirts to wear under our cardigans.
Where'd you guys go?
Ah!
I thought you didn't want to go shop.
What?
I thought you wanted to save money.
I've been caught. I've been caught. We gotta go. Gotta go fast. So Dylan and I just went and got Chinese/Thai food. Now we're having a little picnic. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. I just finished calling a few apartment places for apartments. What? I just finished calling a few places to like get in to see apartments, and one was probably a bust, but she might have other ones opening up. And then the other one, she's gonna give me a call back later this week. So didn't get too far, but that's okay. And now I am heading to the bank and then the gym and then to pick up groceries. So that's what my Monday morning is looking like. And then I have an eye doctor's appointment later at like 3:30. So yeah. Okay, hi guys, how's the lighting? It's okay. I just got out of the gym. I filmed a little in there, so, I mean, you just saw those clips, so you already know that. But, pro tip, go to the gym on a freaking Monday at 10 a.m. Oh my god, it's so hot. Someone turn the AC on. Go to the gym on Monday at 10 a.m. because no one's there. It's a great time. But now I need to go pick up the groceries. We're still doing groceries on the go. It honestly probably saves us money because we just get what we need. And yeah, then I'll go home, put them away and eat because I'm so hungry. It's only 11:30, but I mean, by the time I get home, it'll probably be lunchtime because I like to shower before I eat after I go to the gym. Not that anyone cares. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the groceries now.
Thanks for calling your central office in Dover, Hannaford. We're open Monday through Saturday from 7 to 11. Thanks for choosing Hannaford to go. Are you here for pickup?
I am.
All right, what's the name on that order?
Mariah.
And what time is that order for?
It was between 11 and 12.
Okay, would it be under any other name?
I don't think so.
Alright, let me just double check on the computer. You said Mariah?
Yep.
Okay, because I guess, I don't see it on here, but I guess what's been happening with the new system with some people is it's been getting sent to the other store, the Dover Field one.
Oh.
I can give them a quick call and put you on hold and check if your order is there.
Sure. Okay.
Sure. Give me 1 second.
Did I put it through the wrong one? They like completely changed their system on me yesterday. Okay, so we got the situation figured out, but it went to the wrong Hannaford. So I had to drive all the way to this one, which is now 25 minutes away from my house. And that one just wasn't my favorite. I don't think she used my rewards account because I didn't get any points. Sorry, I'm not that heated about it. Actually, I kind of am because I definitely got a lot of whatever. It's fine. She didn't even put my groceries in. I had to get out of the car, which is not the point. It's fine. I'm obviously a well-abled young adult that can get my own groceries in, but that was not my favorite. Thank goodness I don't come to this one. I feel like I sound like a snob right now, but that was just kind of annoying and weird. I didn't like that experience as much as I usually like my Hannaford to-go experiences. So now I have to figure out how to get home. So continuing on with our little grocery adventure, let me show you what I got. So in our first bag we have, oh, I'm like cut out. Hold on. So in the first bag we have bananas. And I hate how like they do it so in like such small increments. It's really weird. Some corn for we're making Dylan is making fried rice this week. A little onion, also for the fried rice. Put these away right. Also, we have millions of these bags, and I wish you could just use reusable ones, but like they already have them bagged up, so it's like you can't. Next bag we have Cheerios for Dylan. We'll put those right under here where they go. Perfect. We have tortillas for tacos. I think we're gonna have those tonight. Teriyaki sauce for fried rice. English muffins. I have every morning. English muffins that I have for breakfast every morning. Taco seasoning for tacos. Like I said, we're having those tonight. Peas for fried rice. I have coffee, which if you haven't tried, the Stokes cold brew. Get it. It'll change your life. It's amazing. I have all my friends on it, aka Haley, because she's my friend. I don't know if Bryn drinks it. Bryn, if you're watching this, do you drink it? We went to Vegas. Okay, side note. We went to Vegas. What is that? We went to Vegas and we got that, and I was like, everyone needs to try it, and everyone loved it, so you're all welcome. We have eggs. We have a bunch of acai bowls, which have like frost all over them. Then, this is turkey, yeah. We have some ground turkey. This must be all our produce. Ah! Alright, what do we got? Grapes to munch on, have for snacks. Green onion, it's a lot of green onion. For fried rice, maybe other things, because that's a lot. Broccoli, which, oh, that's perfect. So I was really nervous. It was like by pound for broccoli, and I was like, I don't know how much a pound. This is half a pound of broccoli, and that's just the perfect little amount. We have 2 things of blueberries because they were on sale, and I love blueberries. Oh yay, it's the right kind. We got the cruncher lettuce, that's what I call it. Now I have Dylan and my mom calling it that. It's green leaf lettuce, but it's like so crunchy and good on sandwiches and wraps. I got 3 apples for apples and peanut butter as a little snack. And then some more turkey for Dylan. So that is everything we got. It was like $60. And that will feed us for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 2 days because we have like plans. And won't eat dinner for the other days this week until probably this weekend. But yeah, that's what we got, and I'm gonna put this all away and go shower and make some lunch. Hi guys, so I'm just about to head out the door. I have an eye doctor's appointment in like 15 minutes, so I just wanted to tell you that, I guess. I don't know. This is what I'm wearing. It's really like basic. I have like a cute, I don't know if you can see, if I can do it. I have like, you can kind of see, a Tommy Hilfiger shirt under here, which was like the vibe I was going for, like the ripped jeans with like the graphic tee, but it's cold. So I put this sweatshirt on while I was just in my house, and now I'm just gonna wear it out because it's cute and it might be cold at my appointment. But I've just been editing videos and like trying to get those up because I'm very behind, and now I'm filming even more, and yeah, and I really need to do my nails. They're like atrocious. But yeah, I'm going to head to the eye doctor's now. I probably won't film. No, I probably won't film. So, okay, sorry. As I was saying, I'll see if I pick this up later today or another day this week. I don't really know if it's going to be like a daily vlog or a weekly vlog. We'll see. If not, like and subscribe if this is it. If this is going on the next day, I'll see you tomorrow.